Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate AI Builder to classify documents in Power Automate. Beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate AI Builder for document classification in Power Automate, start by logging into your Power Automate account. Navigate to the AI Builder section on the left sidebar. Select the Build option to create a new AI model. Choose the Entity Extraction and click on Next. In the model types, select Document Classification. Click on Next to proceed. Now, you need to specify the dataset for your model. Choose an existing dataset or upload a new one containing the documents you want to classify. Ensure your documents are well organized and properly labeled for optimal results. Once your dataset is ready, click on Next to start training your model. Review the summary of your training settings and click on Train to initiate the process. The training may take some time, depending on the size of your dataset. Once training is complete, you will see a confirmation message. Navigate to the test section to evaluate your trained model. Upload a sample document to see how well the model classifies it. Review the results and make any adjustments as necessary. If satisfied, return to the AI Builder overview. Click on the ellipsis next to your model and select Publish. Confirm the publication of your model to make it available for use in Power Automate. Now, head to the Power Automate homepage and click on Create to build a new flow. Select the type of flow you wish to create, such as an automated or instant flow. In the Flow Designer, add a trigger that suits your needs. Next, search for the AI Builder action within the available connectors. Select the action for document classification from AI Builder. Configure the action by choosing your published AI model. Map the input fields to align with your document's data structure. Test the flow to ensure that it correctly classifies the documents as expected. Once you confirm that everything works properly, save your flow. Congratulations, you have successfully activated AI Builder to classify documents in Power Automate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.